I guess you want to increase your win rate. Yes, I know. But let me show you how to do that using the trading protocol. So this is the daily time frame, and of course, we need to know the phase of price. So as you can see, we have a CRT here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the fourth phase of price. So the market cycle have been completed, market phase have been completed. So this is an MSN level, MSN level. So what do? We need to wait for price to tap that level on the 4-hour time frame. So once we have a tap on that level, what it tells us that what it shows is that it gives us an idea of where price might likely want to go to. So as you can see right here, we have a change in state of delivery here. This is what the ICT call CISD. So now that we have our CISD here, what we need to identify, we need to check and look for our pips inverse CRT, which I call AND CRT. So what we do is basically we need to understand the market phases. So for example, we have it as a bearish CRT. So this is bearish candle range, and of course we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So market is the market phase for the 4 hours is complete. So we're going to use this level as our point of interest. But before we know if this level is going to be valid, we'll need to go to the 1 hour time frame where we want to look for our candle range inversion. So the next thing that I want to check is, okay, we have a change of state of delivery, we have a mitigation of MSN key level. So what else are we anticipating? Of course, you can see we have a lot of liquidity that is lying above here. So we could call this our inducement. So next thing is this. We have this as our inverse CRT. So these are inverse CRT. So the next thing I want to pay attention to is we want to check if the zone is a value zone. And of course it is, because it's also in line with a fair value gap, and we have this as inverse CRT. So because this is my inverse CRT, I wouldn't want price to trade above this week. So what do? I'm going to set my limit. So we'll set our limit here, and let's just target this particular low. So understanding the CRT trading protocol is very paramount, especially if you want to be profitable in the year 2026. So wait for price to reach and see if we get tapped, and as you can see, we got tapped, we almost got stopped out, and of course, boom, and price moved to the downside. This is the CRT trading protocol.